For those of you that haven't cooked with silicone before, it's so easy to use, so flexible, so durable. You just pop it down like that. And as you can see, we've now got a proper baking tray. Also, unlike glass, like if you were to cook that quiche in the glass, it'd be so hard to clean. With silicone, it just slides straight off. So easy to clean. On top of that, so much lighter, isn't it?
Yes. If you cast iron or a good baking dish, and this is really, really heavy. So let me show you the difference with the flat stacks. Simply amazing. They are so lightweight, and the whole thing will go in the oven. You're gonna love it, flat stacks oven with.
Flat stacks are so strong and durable that we actually back them up with a full 5-year replacement warranty. That's the lid, the container and all. On top of that, they're gonna save the environment as well because they're not going to end up like this and in the bin after a couple of weeks of use.